I'm really talented at catching grapes in my mouth. Watch this. Oh, that actually gonna hurt. As you can see by the title, today I am doing a what I eat on a busy working day video, because usually when I film a what I eat in a day video, I've got time to film it, I'm not that busy, it's my focus for the day. Whereas today, thinking about my meals is not really my priority. My priority is getting things done, because my to-do list is as long as, I was gonna say my will to live, but that's quite short most days. Anyway, I've got a lot to do, so I thought I would show you what I have for the day. First things first, I woke up this morning, had a cup of tea. It's currently 9:30 in the morning and I've just got up and made a cup of tea. I've got a video going live at 10 AM, so I've just done some like last minute edits on that. So I've done a little bit of work this morning, and the next thing is breakfast. So let's head downstairs and have some food, because this gal is gonna get hangry. You get the limo out front. Ooh, oh. When you've got no time and you can't be bothered, who are you gonna call? Cocoa Pops. Usually I'm a fruit, yogurt, granola kind of gal, but I just haven't got the time for that or the effort for that today. And I've also got my little drink here. Look at me with a Chili's bottle. Who do I think I am? I actually love the design of this though, like how cute is that? So in here every day I just have some kind of squash. I've got cherries and berries today. Get your head in the game. You gotta get ahead in the game. As you can see, I'm actually a bit more ready for the day now. A little bit of time has passed. I'm in my office. I have been editing. I'm having a really productive day so far. I love productive days. They make me feel so much more motivated, so much better about my life. But anyway, it's been about an hour and a half since I had breakfast, and I'm not hungry, but I am getting a little bit peckish. So most days I tend to have a little mid-morning snack. So that is what I'm gonna eat next. I eat lunch quite late purely because I always eat lunch with my mum. We have lunch together most days, but she works, so when she comes back from work, we have lunch. I'm always hungry before she gets back, so mid-morning snacks are where it's at. So this part of the video is very kindly sponsored by the lovely team over at Graze. Let me tell you guys, when Graze got in contact, I almost cried. I signed up to Graze throughout most of my teenage years. Anyone that went to school with me will know that I had a Graze snack box in my bag at break time every single day without fail. Isn't the circle of life actually mad? So if you've never heard of Graze, let me educate you, my friends. These are little snack boxes that arrive through your letterbox, and when you open it up, da, 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 da. Inside are 4 different snacks. Oh, the flapjacks have always been a firm favourite of mine. They're just the perfect size little snack, especially for busy days like I'm having today. Haven't got to think about it, I can just grab a box, I'm good to go, I'm suppressing the hunger. And I've got a couple of meetings in London next week, so I would definitely be chucking one of these in my handbag and taking it with me. And when you sign up to Graze, you actually get your first box and your 5th box free. They're delivered straight to your door fortnightly, and the postage is free, which I mean is always a win. But if you do change your mind, you can cancel your subscription at any time. But if you're already signed up to Graze, don't forget that the more you snack, the more rewards you earn. So don't forget to check the rewards page on your account to see if you've got any offers or gifts. My snack cupboard right now, she's filling up, my friends. She's filling her boots. And when you do decide to sign up to Graze, don't forget to use the promo code HAN. Start choosing your boxes. You've got the variety box, the protein box, or the lighter option. I love that there's sweet and savoury. The banana bread comes with a little tea bag as well. But anyway, like I said, don't forget, promo code HAN. You get your 1st and your 5th box free. But for right now, the important message is that I'm about to tuck into a protein flapjack. Look at her. Oh, we're besties now. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. You are the music in me. Na 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 na. Apologies if you can hear the washing machine. I know that's really annoying. But anyway, it is now lunchtime. I'm really excited for lunch. I'm actually quite hungry now. Today's lunch, I'm pretty sure I've filmed before. If not, if you follow me on Instagram, by the way, if you don't, definitely follow me. But yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen this on my story. My absolute favourite lunch is to have like picky little bits and bobs. I can't be bothered to make sandwiches most of the time and things like that. This lunch looks like a lot more effort, but it's actually so easy. So I'm a hungry gal. I get hungry so quick. Like, is it normal to be hungry every 2 or 3 hours? Because I definitely am. For today's lunch, I'm having some cucumber and carrot, and then I've got some hummus here as well. Got a little bit of vegetable couscous, some spinach and pine nut pesto pasta, and I will also put a little pita in the toaster to have with the hummus. This is so easy, it's so quick, but so filling at the same time. Chop, 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 chop. So here we have my finished lunch. This was so easy. It took me literally about 4 or 5 minutes to put this together, but obviously I don't make the couscous or the pasta, so you know, probably not the best, but it's easy, and especially on a busy day like today, I ain't got time to be making that. I'm gonna sit outside and have this because it's a really lovely day today. It's not too hot, it's just nice. Oh, and I've also got a pink lemonade Lucozade to keep me going for the rest of my working day. It's really nice to sit outside on days like today because obviously I spend a lot of my time inside working, so to come out for a little lunch break, it's just lovely. What's that? A hat. Crazy, funky, junky hat of a slep. Keira Knightley. Oh, hang on, I said that wrong. Mid-afternoon, it's 4 PM and I'm currently making the thumbnail for this video actually. And obviously, I've got a cup of tea. It's keeping me going. Always got to have a cup of tea mid-afternoon. I'd normally have a bit of chocolate or something, but I'm actually really full up. So I think I'm just going to wait for dinner. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Hello, my fine pretties. So the time is now 6:10 and I am about to start dinner. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not always the chef in this household. However, today, although it's been a busy day, my mum and dad are currently both out in the garden doing bits and bobs, covered in soil, etc. This gal, shock horror, is getting hungry again. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do the dinner for today. Most of the time I have like a couple of backup meals ready in the fridge so that if I'm doing dinner for myself or like something like today comes up and I'm gonna be the one cooking, I've got an easy meal to do. My current favourite, which my mum and dad do actually really like as well, which is what I'm gonna be cooking tonight, is a stir-fry meal deal from Tesco. So in the meal deal, you get the noodles, you get some kind of vegetables, and you also get the sauce. How good of a deal is that? It's honestly insane. If meat freaks you out a little bit, look away now because I'm about to show some uncooked chicken. This is your warning in 3, 2, 1. So I've got a couple of chicken breasts, and then these 3 ingredients is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. All of the noodles, all of this bag, this whole packet of sauce, good to go. I hate cutting chicken so much. Ugh, I hate touching it. It literally freaks me out. I actually reckon if I lived alone and I was cooking all the time, I'd probably be vegetarian most nights because I hate touching meat that much. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Shake, shake, shake. Mix, mix, mix. And that, my friends, is sweet chili chicken stir fry. We still have the ingredients to make this summer sweet. Well, I got rags instead. Oh, I've done it wrong again. Is my camera battery really gonna start flashing the minute I press record? That's gotta be a sick joke. There we go, I'm back with a new battery because this gal can't be defeated that easily. Not by a G7X, my friends. I've got my dressing gown on. I'm gonna take my makeup off and have a shower soon. But for right now, I'm still working on my to-do list. I'm nearly there. I've got about 3 things left to do and then I'm done for the day. However, did someone say evening snack? Yeah, me. I did. So obviously, in the evening, you've got to have a cup of tea. Makes me feel warm and cosy. It's like a hug in a mug. A hug in a mug. I've got a little bit of chocolate. This is my favourite chocolate at the mint. Actually, that's a lie. I prefer the M&M peanut chocolate bar, but they only had hazelnut in the shop that I went to. And my other fave right now, candy floss grapes. And it's candy floss grape season right now, so get yourself to M&S. Get some candy floss grapes. It's not grapes, it's not sweets, it's both. Just discovered on my Instagram story, I'm really talented at catching grapes in my mouth. Watch this. Oh, I'm actually gonna hurt. Like a pro. I've lost one and now I'm gonna sit on it. What the hell? Where's it gone? But anyway, my friends, that is gonna be the last thing that I eat for today. So I think that brings us to the end of this video. I wanna say a big thank you to Graze for very kindly sponsoring this one. And don't forget, guys, if you sign up to Graze, 1, you're in for a treat with those stack boxes. And 2, don't forget to use the promo code HAN. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope this week treats you well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to see my future videos. I've got some good ones planned for you. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye! One more for good luck. I tried.